How to let anyone join your private story on Snapchat. So go ahead and open your Snapchat application. Now, in this page, take a photo or take a video, whatever type of media you want to show on your private story. After that, click on the stickers icon, this one between the pen and the scissors icon. Now, the stickers and some features will then show like the GIF, the mention, questions, and poll. And what we need here is to go to the story feature. So simply tap on this, and from here, you can then input the title of your story. After typing that in, choose the custom story. If we select the custom story, anyone who joined your story can contribute to the story collection. So simply tap on done and a story preview will appear on your screen. This is like a hyperlink. This is a sticker so that you can move it around and place it anywhere. Now upload it to your story by clicking on the story button. And basically that's it. Anyone who sees your story can tap on the sticker, and by tapping on the sticker they can then join your private story. So that is how to let anyone join your private story on Snapchat. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.